Here's a delicious recipe for pasta primavera. Ingredients: pasta, 8 ounces, your choice. Spaghetti, penne or fettuccine. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, 3 cloves minced. Vegetables, 2 cups, for example, bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, broccoli, or asparagus. Salt and pepper to taste. Red pepper flakes, optional to taste. Parmesan cheese grated for serving. Fresh basil or parsley, chopped for garnish. Lemon juice, from 1 lemon, optional. Cook the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to package instructions until al dente. Reserve half a cup of pasta water, then drain the pasta and set aside. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Add your choice of vegetables. Start with the ones that take longer to cook, like broccoli and bell peppers. Then add softer ones like zucchini and tomatoes. Sauté for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the sautéed vegetables. Toss to combine, adding a bit of the reserved pasta water to help create a sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes if using. Drizzle with lemon juice for added brightness if desired. Toss everything together. Plate the pasta and top with grated Parmesan cheese and chopped herbs. Enjoy your pasta primavera. Let me know if you have any questions or need variations.